So here is Sweet Lincoln's mullet. So if you stand there, sir, I'm going to open. You don't get a choice. It's jam all the way, I'm afraid. So if you don't like jam, may I suggest you might have to swap. Have a swap. Right, sir. There we go. Don't start yet. I will tell you when to start. Yeah, it's been in my bag all day. That's been to Twickenham and back. Right. So you have to eat it, and then you get a minute after that. So, are you ready? Eat the donuts. No licking.
You're shaking off the sugar.
Enjoy it.
He's loving this. Absolutely loving it. Absolutely loving it. Just think what could happen here.
Krispy Kreme.
No, Krispy Kremes are the prizes. Yeah, it's not that inventive. It's something different. Something different. Right. So you've got 30 seconds left. You're not allowed to lick. I've never watched a man's tongue so intently. This is good. Thanks for shouting that out. Still got 15 seconds.
Feel that sugar on your lips.
15 seconds.
Oh yeah.
5 seconds. Oh, it's killing him. It's killing him. Look at it. Yes, there he goes. 5 points. Congratulations.
Nicely done.
There we go, sir. There's your team sheet. Right, next up is Reem. Reem, come and join us. The Reem team.
Wait, what's the rules?
Right, so you have to eat this donut.
Yeah.
And you're not allowed to lick your lips at any point.
No, look easy.
In a minute. So yeah, lube up first. I've not said that before either. I tell you this, it didn't make me so sexual. Okay, right. So I'm just going to restart the stopwatch.
Hannah, don't let me down.
Are you ready? Let's go.
No, don't let me
And watch
down.
them fingers because we're going to be watching.
Just stuff it all in your gob.
Oh, hold on.
Move the hand away.
No covering with hands. No covering with hands. That's it. Just chat amongst yourselves, guys. You've got plenty of time. 20 seconds to go. 40 seconds rather. Oh, she wants to. She wants. Oh, hold on. Don't cover your mouth.
Oh my god, don't be pathetic. Come on.
Turning away.
Hannah.
It's like an endurance test. It's not the licking. Look at it's hard to eat a donut, let alone lick. 20 seconds to go.
Put it all in.
In your mouth.
Beautiful. And if any of you are on a first date tonight, I apologise. Yeah, is this your first date? Brilliant. You got 3 seconds. There we go. Nicely done. Right, so give you 5 points as well.
Breathe.
There we go. To be honest, guys, this is one of the easier challenges this week, but you know, it's fun, and really, you get a free donut out of it, but some teams might not be able to handle the pressure. So, let's see who's next up. It is Jack Bauer did it, and that's a reference to Bin Laden, if you didn't get it, that's very funny. So, there we go. There's your donut. Let me just restart the time. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's donuts! Not unfazed at the moment. Still got 55 seconds to go.
Get it down, yeah.
Suck the jam out.
Good at technique. Suck the jam out. That's the encouragement you want when you're eating a donut. Next week it's cracker eating, by the way, so that might be difficult. We're going to have it, whoever eats it the fastest will win next week. We're going to have everyone eating at the same time as well, rather than one by one, so it'll be battle to the end. Still got 25 seconds. How's he feeling? Yeah, good? It's pretty unfazed. People picked a good technique so far, eating the donut within the minute. Not wolfing it in. Right, you got 5 seconds? There we go. Yeah, there we go. 5 more points. Lovely. There you go, there's your team sheet as well, guys. Thank you. Okay, next up, 5 girls and 1 boy. What a lucky sod. Right, let me just restart the time.
Pick my age,
If you want, yeah, there's 2 left in the bag, this bag.
Thanks.
Do not fail.
Is that do not fail or donut fail? Huh? Right. Okay. Enough of that. Right, sorry. Right, are you ready? Let's get donutting. That's a catchphrase that's going to catch on over the next couple of years. I might lick my fingers.
They're stale.
I bought them this morning from Tesco's. Should have gone to Specsavers.
It's not very nice.
No, but that's part of the game. This is not for your delectation. This is a hard endurance here.
It's not for your enjoyment.
It's really
The
not.
Krispy Kremes are. Just keep looking at the Krispy Kremes. They'll get you through
I
it.
didn't see that.
Yeah, they're there for later. 28 seconds left. You're going to have to be quick enough with the donut though. Have to see that whole donut in your mouth by the time the minute's finished.
Get it in.
Got 15 seconds to finish that donut. Just going to have to whack it all in. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds to get the donut in. 5 seconds. She's got jam on the lips.
She's dribbling.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Well, I'll just give you a team sheet back as well. There we go. It's going swimmingly well. I obviously didn't plan this out. We'll make it hard enough. Right. Oh well, always next week. Right, the Hypo Goose Ghost next up. You get the remaining bag donuts. Right, hold on, just a second. You time out. Let's go. Oh, horrible, horrible, isn't it? Oh, brilliant. And these donuts are the finest quality donuts available at Tesco's. 2 bags for £1. And some of these will be prizes there, guys, so if you enjoy them now, then you might enjoy them later. Right, you've got 30 seconds. You've got to make sure you've eaten all that donut as well by the time the minute's over. Jamie Oliver would be cursing me right now the way I'm forcing these donuts down people's throats. 17 seconds to finish the donut. Great, I like that. Team and coach, you're doing well. You're doing well. Come on. Well, you've got 5 seconds. You've got to finish it, otherwise you don't get the points. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Oh, just about. He just about made that. There we go. Thank you. Right, next up is ketchup. Ketchup.
Oh,
Fresh bag, yeah. These ones might all be stale. Who knows?
Maybe I should.
Don't take, if you've got a problem with the donuts, don't take it up with me. Take it up with Highbury Islington Tesco's. Here we go. Are you ready? Off you go. He's coming to the light so we can see your lips. Oh dear, I'm not going to say that ever again. I apologise, it's a family quiz. It's a family quiz. Well, there's a bit of lip tremoring there. 40 seconds left. Remember, you've got to eat that whole donut within a minute. So why don't you tell us about your day? 25 seconds. Bit of sugar on the lid there. Only got 19 seconds to eat that, the rest of that donut, otherwise it's no points. And I don't want any teams to get no points now, we're at that stage. Look at the jam. 12 seconds, 10 seconds. Oh, 8 seconds to eat that whole donut. Oh, she licked. Let's go upstairs for the instant replay. Licked and didn't finish the donut, so unfortunately no points for that. Oh, no. And there was me thinking it was easy, this quiz. There we go. But good effort anyway, it was a great effort. Right, next up, I'll try and be as unsexual with my puns as possible. It's Obama Bin Laden. Obama Bin Laden. There he is. And this team have been through the middle of everything. I think we've done every challenge program. So, here we go. There is your donut. Off you go. Looks pretty controlled at the moment. Looks like he's enjoying it.
It's a good job.
Is it better than the jelly?
Oh, yes. Don't laugh.
Don't get distracted.
Yeah, maybe not eat that donut. You got. That's fine. No, you can. Oh, yeah.
No shoveling. No shoveling.
No shoveling. This one's proving easier than the mini eggs last week.
Mini eggs were tough. They were tough.
25 seconds.
Come on, Tom.
See, it's unflappable at the moment.
I believe in you.
Yeah. That's right, Nick, give it some encouragement. This one will be straight on Facebook tonight. There we go. It's in. 10 seconds though to hold out.
There was a tongue. There was a tongue. Don't lick your lips. There was a tongue. I saw a tongue. Oh, what? You're
I'm looking. How many people saw a tongue there?
Everyone else saw a tongue.
Was there a tongue? Two teams say there was a tongue.
We can always play it back, Paul.
It was part of the eating process. We'll watch it back and I'll see if you get a point later. But it's no points for now. We'll watch that back. Big fat lonely zero. Did it cross the line? That's the question. Right, more time please, Will.
Oh,
We're waiting for this moment for a long time.
Less tongue in this case.
Yes, exactly that. Exactly that. Less time.
Don't think about it.
Right, are you ready? A little less conversation, a little more action.
Go on, Karen.
don't lick, Darren.
Very cultured approach so far.
Go on, Karen.
For the whole minute, Karen, to eat all of it.
How's it going? Yeah? So I'm tempted. Maybe I should have done 2 minutes, but we haven't got enough time, that's right.
Just put it all in.
There's a lot of jam and sugar going on there.
Go on, Karen.
You've got 25 seconds to eat the rest of the donut.
Come on, Karen.
You've got a big mouth. Get it in.
Slightly different to that rampant rabbit you gave us last week. Tin foil, by the way. Right, you've got 10 seconds to finish the donut.
Come on, Karen.
Come on, Karen.
Go on, Karen. Oh.
Speed it up. There's not even enough room left. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. That's there we go. Nice. Nice. No video replay needed for them. Thank you. Right, 2 teams left. The team with no name, first of all. So we've got team with 2 names and the princesses and fairies. So this is the team with no name. Need a team name in the second half that you can put a prize just for your team name. Pick a donut, sir. On choice. Good choice. Good choice. Right. Your time starts now. This is bound to go in the diary, surely. Enjoying it? No. I'd just like to say that the food that we serve at the Bull is nothing like this. It's much nicer. This does not reflect the food that we serve here at the Bull. 30 seconds left to eat that one. Well, no, as long as it's in your goal. That's fine. See, relaxed approach. Hand in the pocket as well. I like the technique. Here we go. Looks pretty relaxed. 17 seconds. Yep. Yep. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Get it in there. Yep, that'll do it. That'll do it. There we go. There's your team sheet as well. Guys, your team sheet. There we go. And finally, princesses and fairies, come and enjoy a donut with me. Look, it's... Right, here we go. Wow, look at that!
Wow!
Straight in there. Straight in. We haven't seen that technique yet so far tonight. 52 seconds. Don't leave those hits, remember. Make sure that donut gets in there as well. Oh, still going on.
Don't cover him out.
You need to be able to see what's going on. 30 seconds. 30 seconds left.
I'm going in from your position.
Look at that, amazing. Amazing. I can say so much now, but I don't want to offend my contestants. That's it, no hands, just enjoy the rest of the donut for another 15 seconds. All on Facebook. 5 seconds. No! Yes, there we go! There we go. There we go. Right, thanks very much, guys. So that was just a bit of fun. Right. Crack attack. Let's go. What's the technique here? Let's see. Oh, you're gonna have to pick it up, I'm afraid. Health and safety. Lots of technique going on here. Don't drop any. Eat them crack. If I see you dropping, I'm going to give you a 4th cracker, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants a 4th cracker. Here it is on standby, the 4th cracker. I'm sorry, Nick. You've been through so many challenges here. They always put you up. Look at the determination. These people are clearly crackers. Thank you. All right, so one's got no crackers there, but that doesn't mean anything. It could be a chew fest. Open. Yes, he's a winner. He's a winner. Carry on. For second place, remember 5 points. 5 points for second. 5 points. Yes, second place. Second place, 5 points. Last one for 3 points. Oh.